You know that 2 wrongs don't make a right, but 3 lefts do. Welcome to our second video in a 3-part series about navigating intersections. Today we're covering left turns. Turning left introduces some challenging hazards that we need to pay attention to. Not only are you crossing oncoming traffic to turn, but you're also going to be spending the largest amount of time within the intersection during this maneuver. As with any turn, you must identify your traffic control devices and ensure that you're turning from the appropriate lane. Basically, there are 2 types of left turns that you're going to be making: protected and unprotected. Protected left turns will provide you with a green arrow, stopping all oncoming traffic and cross traffic and all pedestrian traffic to allow your vehicle immediate use of the roadway. Sweet! Unprotected left turns require the driver to determine the appropriate time to perform this maneuver. This is usually where mistakes are made, as it is difficult to predict what other humans will be doing around the intersection. Here's what you need to watch out for. First of all, you'll either be seeing a steady green light or a flashing yellow arrow, or simply a turn lane off a main thoroughfare. Make sure that you are in the proper position for making the turn, and then look at where you need to go. This is your path of travel, and it is your job to make sure that it is clear before you proceed. Most drivers will only focus on oncoming traffic, which is important as hitting another vehicle head-on is quite dangerous. But many forget to check their right or left. Check right to make sure that any cross traffic will not be interfering with your turn by running a red light or a stop sign. And then check towards the left to ensure that the other set of cross traffic is yielding and that your path is clear of pedestrians. Let me say that again. When you're making an unprotected left turn, usually while your street has the green light, so do the pedestrians walking in the same direction. You need to keep a close eye on your surroundings before you decide to enter the intersection. If you begin your turn only to stop short because of a pedestrian, now you've become a sitting duck within the intersection. Only execute your maneuver when you've cleared the intersection of all oncoming traffic and pedestrians, and cross traffic is yielding to you properly. Now, have you ever seen a driver creep out in the middle of the intersection while they wait for their left turn? It's not a safe place to wait. As you're yielding to oncoming traffic, stay behind the crosswalk or stop bar. Then, once you see an appropriate gap approaching, you may begin to creep out into the intersection in an attempt to meet your gap as it comes towards you. When you get caught waiting in the middle of an intersection, remember, you're a sitting duck. And if you enter the intersection, once your traffic control device cycles, you're going to need to clear the intersection. Do not block the intersection. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Safety Sessions. So to see more videos like this, click on subscribe to stay up to date on all the safe driving related content we will be putting out. And while you're at it, click on that bell icon to receive notifications of when we do post a new video. To learn more about DriveSafe driving schools, visit www.drivesafecolorado.com or give us a call at 303-721-8881. We'll see you next time, but until then, always remember to drive safe. Watch that one. I think that's a good one. That one over there is pretty good too.